Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're a Hyundai Ioniq owner or planning to get one, you're in for a treat, because today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best Level 2 charger for your Ioniq. The EVIQO Level 2 EV charger. Fast, reliable, smart, and built to last, this thing ticks all the boxes for home charging. Let's plug into the details and see why this EV charger stands out in the crowded market of EV charging solutions. Right out of the box, the EVIQO charger gives you a premium feel. It's compact, with clean lines and a sturdy housing that's both functional and sleek. At 9.68 kilograms, it's substantial enough to feel durable without being overly bulky. You get a 25-foot output cable and a 37-inch input cable pre-attached with a NEMA 14-50 plug, which gives you a lot of flexibility for mounting. The weatherproofing is top tier too, boasting both NEMA 4 and IP66 ratings. Whether you're installing it indoors or mounting it outdoors next to your driveway, you don't need to worry about rain, dust, or extreme temperatures. Here's where the EVIQO really shines. This Level 2 charger operates at 240 volts and comes preset to deliver 40 amps of charging power, which translates to about 9.6 kilowatts. That's nearly 9 times faster than a basic Level 1 charger. But if you want even more juice, you can hardwire it and unlock the full 48 amps for up to 11.5 kilowatts of charging power. That's going to drastically cut down your charging times, especially if you're topping off after a long commute or weekend road trip. And yes, it's fully compatible with all EVs using the J1772 standard, including the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and 6, and Tesla's 2, with an adapter. Let's talk brains. EVIQO put in the effort here, surveying over 1,800 EV owners before building out their app. The result is an intuitive, clean interface that lets you schedule up to 3 different charging sessions to take advantage of off-peak rates. You can monitor real-time power usage, track your energy costs, get reminders, and view your full charging history. And the best part? The firmware updates over the air, so your charger stays future-proof without you lifting a finger. It's a genuinely smart system that makes your EV life simpler, not more complicated. Safety is another area where EVIQO doesn't cut corners. It's UL compliant, ENERGY STAR certified, and also carries both ETL and FCC certifications. Before leaving the factory, each unit goes through a serious set of tests: water resistance, dust exposure, UV exposure, aging, vibration, fault detection, you name it. That level of quality control adds a lot of confidence, especially when you're hardwiring a 48-amp device into your home's electrical system. Plus, EVIQO backs it with a 3-year warranty and US-based customer support available 6 days a week. Now, installation is a breeze if you're going with the 14 to 50 plug option, no electrician required. Just mount it using the included bracket and templates, plug it in, and you're ready to go. If you want the full 48-amp experience, yes, hardwiring will need a licensed pro, but it's a one-time setup for long-term gain. Overall, the EVIQO Level 2 EV charger hits the sweet spot of affordability, performance, and smart features. For Hyundai Ioniq drivers, this is hands down one of the smartest and most reliable chargers you can invest in for your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your EV charging questions down below. Until next time, keep it charged and drive safe.